for this recipe, I'm going to be using chicken thighs, bone in. You would have to remove the skin. In this case, I had my meat marinate overnight. I normally use vinegar, sazon con color, sazon in powder, salt, pepper, and garlic. In a large pot, we're going to add 10 to 12 cups of water. I'm adding 12 cups of water. We're going to let it boil. Once it boils, we're going to add our chicken. Once our water starts boiling, we're going to add our chicken. We're going to let it cook through before we add any other ingredients. Okay, so now that our chicken is fully cooked, we're going to add our corn ears and our spices. We have about a tablespoon of Sazon con color. You can use any brand. We have about a teaspoon of oregano. We have a teaspoon of cilantro. We got about a tablespoon and a half of Puerto de Pollo. I'll leave the full recipe in the description box below so that way you know all the ingredients beforehand. Salt and pepper to taste. This is completely up to you. I mix my salt and pepper. So there we go. And a half an onion diced. We mix it well and let it boil or cook through until the corn is fully cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and add 4 more cups of water. This is not enough water. We still have to add our potatoes, our carrots, and our spaghetti noodles in here. So initially I used 12 cups. I'm adding 4 more. And we can adjust the seasonings such as salt and pepper. Everything else should be fine. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon, or this is 4 garlic cloves actually, so about a tablespoon. Throw it in there. And now we're going to let that corn cook through. Okay guys, so it's been an hour. Our corn is fully cooked, and now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of sofrito. We're going to add our carrots. We're going to add our potatoes. And we're going to add tomato sauce. Any brand you want, any kind you want, as long as it's tomato sauce. This is about 8 ounces. Add it in there. And we're going to mix it well. Okay, so we're going to add our noodles as well. Don't add too many. These you break into chunks like that. And now we're going to let the carrot and the potato cook, and once that cooks, it's ready to serve. See you then. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. It smells and tastes amazing. I normally serve it with a side of white rice. If you like our recipes, please subscribe, like, and share our video. The full recipe, like always, is going to be in the description box below. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comment box. Hasta luego. Ciao. Bye.